Renu. You're welcome to Healing Recipes. Today I'm going to make a super fast but very delicious dish of tangy tofu which can be replaced by paneer. And if you make it with paneer, it's going to be the creamy, delicious paneer. You're going to love this dish. I'm making it zero oil, but if you want, you can always add some. That's your choice. 300 grams of firm tofu or 300 grams of paneer, 250 grams of tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts soaked in hot water for 30 minutes, which is to be ground into a paste, 1 thin slice of red beet, that's optional, 1 hot pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves to be roasted and crushed into powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon sugar or honey, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. First of all, I'll grind a paste of red beet, hot pepper and tomatoes in the mixer grinder. Roast the dried fenugreek leaves in a hot pan for just about half a minute and keep aside for crushing into a powder. Add the cumin seeds into the hot pan and lower the flame when they start crackling. On the medium flame, add the tomato paste, and stir well for about 2 minutes. Add salt, sugar, red chili powder, coriander powder, curry powder, dried fenugreek powder, and continue stirring well. Add the ground cashew nut paste and roast for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add tofu to the curry. Add half a cup of water and let it boil. Then cover and keep on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Tangy tofu is ready to eat. If you want to make creamy paneer, then instead of tofu, please add paneer to the hot tomato paste curry with 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream and 1 cup of milk. Stir well and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes and it will be ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.